Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are embellishing candles for Halloween. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some Halloween candles. If you absolutely can't get your hot glue pieces to stick to your candle, try using a simple straight pin to keep them in place. Works perfectly. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.